Hi everyone, today we are making spawning mops for eggs, for the fish when they are spawning. The eggs then end up being stuck to these, they cut into these, and then you can be able to take these out of the pond and put them into another pond for the eggs to hatch. So this is simple wool for knitting. So what you do is you take a box like this one and just wrap it round as many times as you can. I'm doing about 70 times. After that, then I'm using simple tie cables. Push it through there. All right. Make sure it's in the middle, and then pull it tight. Oh, put it the wrong way around. It's supposed to be that way. Pull it tight. Yeah, tight, just like that. And then you take your scissors and cut the other side right in the center. Just like that. You may have to use a bit of force depending on how much you've got on there, right? And how sharp your scissors is. And there we are. There's our spawning mop. You can cut this bit off. Yeah, like that. And then what you do is you have to look for anything that can float in water, like a what do you call that? A cork that you can put inside there. And when you put this in the pond, it doesn't sink to the bottom of the pond. But what you do is after you've done this, you have to boil this in hot water for about 20 minutes or so, just to sterilize it and make it safe for the eggs. And then you put it in the pond and you keep just checking when your fish are spawning, which they're about to start now. It's usually about April, May, June, that period, that's when the fish spawn. So you put this in the pond and you keep checking. The eggs will be attached to this. Yeah, you'll be able to see the eggs on this. I hope I'll be able to do a video where it's showing the eggs on these, and then I can be able to show you. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.